What's something people don't know about homeownership, Dad? You don't need a huge down payment to start. Meet Angel Dragon's Lutiz's lease-to-own program. It's a game changer for anyone struggling to save for a large down payment or secure a traditional mortgage. Here's how it works. You sign a minimum 10-year lease for a stunning 4-room property with a deposit of just 1,250,000 AED. Over the lease term, you pay rent, and at the end, you have the option to buy the property or walk away. No strings attached. This program is perfect for expats and aspiring homeowners looking for flexibility and a lower financial risk. You get to lock in today's property prices and potentially benefit from future value appreciation. Plus, you can test drive the home and neighborhood before making a long-term commitment. Our transparent agreements and adherence to UK consumer protection laws ensure your rights are safeguarded every step of the way. And with Angel Dragons Limited, you're not just renting a house, you're paving a path to home ownership. So why wait? Contact Angel Dragons Limited today to unlock your dream home with our innovative lease-to-own scheme. Your future home is just a call away.